home studio. I am located in Brampton, Ontario. So Maricar Studio is open up for bridal alterations. I work by appointment only since I work from home. And you can book your appointment, or for more information for your other inquiries, you can check me at Maricar Studio on Instagram, on Facebook, and we're also on YouTube. You can check me at Maricar Studio, and you can directly message me through Instagram. And if you would like to know more about the services and the pricing, you can check it on my website. Feel free to ask questions, or if you would like more information, you can directly message me through Instagram. I will see you. Bye-bye.